Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cheese zaatar. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients for both the dough and the flavorful topping. Next, we'll prepare a soft, pliable dough, allowing it to rise perfectly. Then, we'll combine the cheeses with aromatic zaatar. Finally, we'll bake these savory pies until they are golden brown and wonderfully bubbly, ready to enjoy. To begin our cheese zaatar journey, combine 3 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, a pinch of sugar, and a half teaspoon of salt. Gradually add 1 cup of warm water, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Knead this dough for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Place it in a greased bowl, cover, and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Then, divide it into 12 equal portions. Now, let's prepare our irresistible topping. Grate 2 cups of akawi or mozzarella cheese into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of high-quality zaatar and 2 tablespoons of olive oil, mixing everything thoroughly until well combined. Take each dough portion and roll it out into a thin, round disc, about 6 inches in diameter. Evenly spread a generous amount of the cheese zaatar mixture over each dough disc, leaving a small border. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully transfer the assembled cheese zaatar pies onto a baking sheet. Bake them for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are beautifully golden brown and the cheese is completely melted and bubbly. Once baked, remove them from the oven and let them cool for just a minute or 2. Serve these delightful cheese zaatar pies warm to savor their incredible flavor and perfect texture.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.